With IBS wrapping up, getting to share the final culmination of this project, it couldn't get better than this.
I'm part of the APT, Alair Performance and Training Team. Part of my role was to kind of streamline a lot of that performance for the team. We wanted to make sure that things were not falling through the cracks, but that performance and that compliance was still at the top standard. You have to have a team that can put that together.
My role in the process of building this project was largely at the beginning to really help manage their schedule. This wasn't a typical build because we did have to overlap so many trades to hit deadlines, which is not normal. So the schedule became very large and complicated, but really was to help the team make informed decisions about who we needed to get on site, what were the critical path items that we needed to hit the deadline, and that was extremely helpful for everyone.
Being part of this 2026 New American Home has been absolutely amazing. Just being able to put another feather in my cap has been unbelievable. The biggest challenge we had was the timeline, and we did it.
Looking back, one of the things I'm the most proud of is honestly the view when the client walks in the door at the end of the day. The other night, Jason and I walked in the house at dusk and the sun was reflecting off of the lake and you couldn't tell where the pool ended and the lake began. We dug 17 feet on the edge of a lake and the basement doesn't flood. You can fit 16 cars with a car lift that you can put 2 cars on. The basement's amazing. And at the end of the day, all of this is worth it if our client feels like this is their home. The 2026 New American Home for IBS is truly a capstone project for me professionally. It shows what we can do as Alair Homes, and it allows me to go out into the community and say, we can build this. Clients that come to me and say, what can you do? All I have to do is point to this house.
It is unbelievable to see the support from my Alair family, and I want them to be proud of the brand.
It feels like a finish line. There was a lot of work put into this. Long nights, long weekends. I'm just grateful to be a part of the team that helped put this together.
To see the finished product and just to see everyone's reaction has been incredibly rewarding. Yeah, it's just an amazing feeling, super proud, already ready to do it again.
This house has truly shown that for Alair Homes, the sky's the limit.